Hello children. So now we'll be doing the second video of the lesson adjectives. In the first video we learned what is an adjective, the position of an adjective. Adjectives are generally placed near the noun and there are 6 kinds of adjectives, isn't it? What is an adjective? An adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. So we had already discussed about adjective of quality and adjective of quantity. Now we move on to the next type of adjective, that is adjective of number. So what do you mean by an adjective of numbers? Adjectives of number, they tells us how many persons or things are meant. How many persons or things are meant. They answer the question how many. For example, you invited some friends for your birthday party. You invited many friends, 5 of them came. So you can say 5 friends came for my birthday party. So 5 friends, the word 5 is an adjective of number. Your father bought some apples from the market. Some apples were rotten. So adjective of number is some. We use adjective of number for countable nouns. Nouns which we can count, we use adjective of number. What do they answer? They answer the question how many. You can count those numbers. Let's see some examples. The first example is several students participated in the competition. You can count the number of students, isn't it? So several students. The word several is describing the noun students. So several is the adjective of number. In the second example, there are 36 students in my class. So which is the number 36? And this number 36 describes students. How many students? 36 students. So 36 is the adjective of number. Many apples were rotten. The word many is describing the apples. You can count the number of apples, isn't it? So the word many refers to adjective of number. The third customer was lucky as he won the prize. Which customer? The third customer. Here the word which is coming. The word third also refers to adjective of number. If you count the customer, the third one, first, second and third. The third one in number has won the prize. So the word third is adjective of number. Words like first, second and third. First, second, third. Already 1, 2, 3, 4, they are adjectives. But the words like first, second and third, they are called as ordinal adjectives or simply ordinals you can say. 1, 2, 3, 4 are called as cardinals. First, second, third, fourth, such numbers are called as ordinals. And these ordinals are ordinal adjectives. They are also adjectives. So an adjective of number answers the question how many. Many apples were rotten. How many? Many. Several students participated. The word several shows how many students? Several students. Okay. So adjective of number is actually used with countable nouns, those which we can count. Adjective of quantity is used with uncountable nouns. Is it clear, children? Now, 2 words are very common here, much and many. The word much is used with uncountable nouns which we cannot count it. For example, I've got much work to do. Much sugar is wasted. Okay, so uncountable noun, the word much is used, whereas the word many is used with countable nouns. There are many students in the class. There are many storybooks in my house. There are many friends with whom I can play. So if you can count that, then it becomes a countable noun. If you cannot count the noun, then it becomes an uncountable noun. The word much is adjective of quantity because we cannot count it. The word many is used with adjective of number because we can count it. Okay. So remember children, adjective of quantity is an uncountable noun. Adjective of number is a countable noun. The word much comes with adjective of quantity and the word many comes with adjective of number. Is it clear, children? Again, there are 2 other different words. They are little and few. The word little is adjective of quantity. I want little sugar in my tea. I've got little bit of work to do. You cannot count them. So it becomes adjective of quantity. And the word few is adjective of number. Few members were present. Few seats were vacant. Let's see two examples. The first example is he got little help. You cannot count. So this is adjective of quantity. You cannot count it, right? And the second one is few seats were. So this word few is adjective of number. Because you can count seats, but here help cannot be counted. Is it clear? So this is adjective of quantity and this is adjective of number. Is it clear, children? Now, the difference between adjective of quantity and adjective of number. I told you, adjective of quantity comes with uncountable nouns. We cannot count those nouns. Some water. How much water you want? Some water. How much milk is there? Little milk is left. Much work to be done. The words like some, little, much and all are generally adjective of quantity. We cannot count those nouns. Water cannot be counted, milk cannot be counted, work cannot be counted. Okay, we can only measure it, we cannot count it. In the same way, adjective of number, they are used with the word adjective of number, they are used with countable nouns, children. Many friends came, you can count the number of friends. Few books, again you can count those books. Several students came. So this friends, books, students can be counted. If you can count something, it becomes adjective of number, and if you cannot count something, but it can only be measured, it becomes adjective of quantity. The words some, little, much, these are adjective of quantity, and the words many, few and several are adjective of number. Is it clear, children? You are supposed to do your textbook exercise A and B. You have to write the textbooks with pencil. You can fill in the blanks given there. Is it clear, children? So the next adjective is demonstrative adjective. What do you mean by demonstrative adjective? These include the words these, this, those, that. All these words come under demonstrative adjectives. These adjectives find out which person or thing, they find out which person or thing is meant. They answer the question, which one? Which question do they answer? They answer the question, which one? Let's see. These fruits are fresh and tasty. About which food are you talking here, children? About which fruits are you talking here? These fruits, isn't it? Such dresses suit you. Which is a noun here? The word dresses is a noun. Which type of dresses suit you? Such dresses. So this becomes demonstrative adjective. Those students were punished for being late. Which students? Students, this is a noun. Which students were punished? Those students. This sum is difficult. I can't solve it. Which is a noun here? Sum is the noun. And this word, this is referring to the sum. Which sum? This sum. Which students? Those students. Which dress? Such dresses. Which fruits? These fruits. So the word this, these, such, those, this, all these are called as demonstrative adjectives. Is it clear, children? Now, so I come to the end of the second video. In this video, you learnt about the difference between adjective of number and adjective of quality. Adjective of number is used for countable nouns. Adjective of quantity is used with uncountable nouns. And then this is a demonstrative adjective. Which are the words? These, this, those, that. You can also use the word such also. The word such also comes under demonstrative adjectives. Is it clear, children? Thank you, children.